So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,443 followers, which we still have, right? It's still the same follower that we have right here. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh to actually know if these followers have started coming in. So we just need to draw it down like this, and boom, you can see we currently have 3,457 followers, which means that these followers already coming in, right? If you want to see more, let's just click on the notification, and you will see we have 15 new followers. And if you tap on it, you can see these followers just came in now. You can see now. 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, now. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys legit websites to boost your TikTok followers in Nigeria. It's very easy. The website is growbetter.net, and the link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link. It will take you to the website. But before then, just chill and watch this video to the end. Let me show you guys exactly how to use this website. Right, so let's go. The first thing we need to do is for us to actually come to the website right this, and when you come to the website, this is exactly how it look like. As you can see right here, the next thing we need to do is for us to create an account. How do we create an account? Just come down right here. You can see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place. All you need to do is to create a username, and once you created a username, put your email right here, and you put your password right here, and also confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. But because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to actually sign in and show you guys exactly how to actually use this website. So let's go. So right now I've logged in, right? When you create an account and log in, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing we need to do is for us to actually come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it and scroll down. You are going to be seeing in TikTok followers. So let's go down a little bit, and right here you can see TikTok likes, TikTok followers, and co. So I like using this particular service, this TikTok followers, 10% drop, fast delivery new, right? So I don't need to select it. And once you select it, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You just need to tap on the service. Once you tap on it, select the first one or select any of them, any preferable one. I like using the first one, right? So the next thing is for you to read description. Description is actually what describes the service, right? Right here they say the quality is worldwide profile. They say the start time is instant, and they also said 20K per a day, right? Which means that you can actually get up to 20,000 followers a day. And right here they say the refill is 10 days. In the important note, they said when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place second order on the same link before the current one is completed in the system. So when you place an order, exercise patient. If it delays, there is a reason why it delays. So exercise patient is going to be delivered. If you place another order on that same link, it will contradict both of them, right? So the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this link right here. Can you see this link right here? That's where you actually put your profile link. If you don't know how to copy your profile link, let's head to TikTok. Let me show you guys exactly how to copy your profile link. So let's go. So right now I'm on my TikTok, right, as you can see right here. And before we copy this link, I want us to mark something. Before we place an order in this platform, we currently have 3,443 followers. So you just need to mark it because we're going to come back here for you to actually see that these followers are going to increase. So if you want to copy a link, all you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and boom, your link is copied, right? So all you need to do right now is for you to come back to Grow Better, and paste your link right here. You just post your link, and the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this quantity and put the amount of followers we actually want. So in this video I'm going to be putting 100, right? So the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Come and tap on it and submit your order, and right here you can see they say your order have been received. So all we need to do right now is for us to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into this account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund account in this platform? Is very simple. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you come to this dots right here. Can you see this dots right here? Tap on it. It will display two payment options in this platform: Pay and manual. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use both of them. So let's start with Pay. When you select Pay, enter the amount of money you want to add, and click on this pay right here. Once you tap on the pay, you don't need to exercise patient, right? Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card? Would you like to pay with bank transfer, or you want to pay with bank. If you want to pay with debit card, all you need to do is to select debit card and put your card details and click on pay, right? But if you want to pay with bank transfer, just come select bank transfer right here and click on this I understand instruction and click on this continue right here, and Kodapay is going to provide account number that you are going to be making payment to. You can see the account number right here. All you need to do to make payment to the account number, you don't need to do anything. The thing will automatically reflect to your GrowBetter balance, right? Let me show you guys how to use manual. All you need to do is just select manual, right? Read instruction stated, kindly make payment to this account below. You can see the account number. They say do not send below 1,000, it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is for you to actually make payment to this account number. After you made the payment to this account number, send them your proof of payment. How do you send your proof of payment? All you need to do is for you to come and click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? Tap on it. It will take you to the WhatsApp and just send them your proof of payment, and they are going to confirm your payment. Your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, they are going to confirm your payment for you, right? Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers has started coming in. So let's go. So you guys remember before we place an order in this platform, we had 3,443 followers, which we still have, right? It's still the same follower that we have right here. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh to actually know if these followers have started coming in. So we just need to draw it down like this, and boom, you can see we currently have 3,457 followers, which means that these followers already coming in, right? If you want to see more, let's just click on the notification, and you will see we have 15 new followers. And if you tap on it, you can see these followers just came in now. You can see now. 1 minute ago, now. Right? Even if we still go back, right? If you go back again and refresh it, you can see it from 457 to 461, right? This is how it will keep increasing, 62. Now it will keep increasing until it completes the amount of followers you order. So this is the legit website where you can actually get TikTok followers, right? Easy peasy, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video. The link to the website is in the description. Tap on it and it will take you to the website. So let's go.